is my childhood boat. By my childhood boat, I mean my dad. This is the boat I learned to fish in. This is the boat that we would take out when we would just go for rides. I feel like this boat has many stories of my dad being my dad, which Jason probably knows more of than I do. But my dad gave it to Jason. And so here we are trying to finally get it up and running and into the water, fix it up. So yeah, it's awesome to see it. It reminds me of my childhood.
Oh, we got a boat. Was a big deal. I ended up using the 1.5 inch bit. I still don't know what's going on, so we're still gonna have to do baby steps. I don't know what I'm doing. Look at that. Kind of looks like Flintstone's house. Flintstones, meet the Flintstones. This looks like the Flintstones house. I am not pleased. How you doing? How you doing today? We did pretty good. But look at how gunked up that spar mark made everything. I didn't realize there were so many parts.
You smart. You very smart.
I'll tell you guys, carpet is forgiving. Carpet is like barbecue and chicken thighs. You know, like with steak, you go a couple of seconds and, oh, you cooked it too much. Chicken thighs, freak, man, you still go up 10 degrees and they'll be juicy as juicy can be. That's what carpet's doing here. Carpet is like the chicken thighs of a boat. It's too early in the day to be losing it to this degree.
You a genius.
Now, the best part is, I don't know what angle this is. Never did. Let me show you Kat's little Norm Abrams style tomfoolery. But here's what you do. You take your saw, and where your saw it stops at the right angle, that's your angle. This would kill Dave. Sorry, Dave. And our angle, everybody, looks like 28 and change, maybe 29. But that's how you figure out an angle with a saw. Patsy Cline's got nothing on me. Stuff is sticky. These are my snippers. And these are awesome. And looky-loo. That's our thing, yo. Let's pull these off. Because these are all connected. Creates a daisy chain, which means once I ground this one wire to our fuse block, this entire panel is now grounded. And in a good way. Not in the way I used to get when I was a kid.
That's it. You're grounded.
That, my friends, is our panel wired for its ground. He's got this kind of lower bite when he gets annoyed. And I thought, that's a very negative thing. And then my brain goes, negative. Why is your positive line at the top of your fuse block when that's where all your negative... Ladies and gentlemen, I come running out to the garage and I check. There is a negative sign and a positive sign on this here fuse block that I somehow missed. I reverse the house negative and the house positive. And what do we see here? We see power. Ladies and gentlemen, the boat has been wired.
Electricity and science expert.
Say this is proof that we're in a boat. Say,
It's proof.
we're on water.